Next caller.
Alright y'all, so we're honestly just gonna get straight into this video. I'm starting off a week and a half old blow dried hair. I literally just took my hair out of wig braids, so don't judge my nappy greasy head. I usually do my buns on freshly washed wet natural hair, but I was in a rush and I did not feel like doing all that this morning, so yeah. I'm going to section my hair off in two because it's easier to work with separate sections when slicking it up, especially if my hair was in its natural state. It's so much easier to just comb it and slick it, but it's completely up to you. Whatever's the easiest way to get your hair on the top of your head. I'm brushing my edges out of the way and using red Eco Styler to slick up my hair. This gel and Got2b are honestly the only two gels I use on my head. My hair is between like 3C and 4A in its natural state, I think. So water-based gel works well with my hair.
Damn, Jacob, this shit crack.
So this is pretty self-explanatory. I just add gel and brush it into the position I want until I'm satisfied. I obviously want it at the top, middle of my head because it's a top knot, so yeah. After I get the front section in a tight pony, I move it out of the way and do the same exact steps to the back and combine the two sections.
Damn, Jacob, this shit crack.
Okay, so my hair is in the position I want. Now I'm gonna do these baby hairs. So honestly, my baby hairs literally take me like 15 minutes, and the point of this video is basically the bun, so I kind of sped through this. But if y'all want an in-depth baby hair tutorial, please let me know and I can give that to y'all. I couldn't find my scarf, so I just used this do-rag to set my bun. But y'all, please make sure your edges are semi-dry before adding your scarf because I literally almost lost my edges. My do-rag literally dried with my edges, like. See, this is why I don't need to do my hair when I'm in a rush. I almost was bald, but I ended up getting it and my edges are still there, thankfully. I decided to show y'all this quick natural top knot bun before I add the extensions. You can do this on your natural hair no matter what state it's in. I literally twist my hair like so and tease it until it looks how I want it and pin it in place with my bobby pins. If my hair was wet and curly, I would literally do the same exact thing. Okay, so to prep for your extensions, it's pretty self-explanatory if you follow exactly what I'm doing, but you're gonna need to create a tight mini bun as small as you can by twisting your hair and securing it in place. It's so cute. I literally look like I'm 12, but yeah. So the first bun is my go-to. This is a curly top knot. You actually can do this on your natural hair too, but in this case I'm adding extensions because obviously my hair is blow dried and it won't blend. I'm using half a bundle of my Jerry curl hair in 18 inches. It resembles my natural hair pretty closely, and you can get this on my website. I'll put the link below in the description. What you're gonna wanna do is double the track by folding it in half and lining up the two ends. Then you just add a bobby pin to secure the two ends. Using that same bobby pin, you're gonna attach the track to the back of your mini bun and wrap it as tight as you can. To secure it, just add some bobby pins where it's needed. Okay, so for this little curly poof, I'm literally just gonna bunch the hair up, tease it, and pin it back. It's so quick and easy, and it looks super natural and effortless. I love it. The next out I'm going to do with this curly hair is an actual bun by doing the twist method again, similar to how I did the first bun on my natural hair. You always want to tease your hair to give it as much volume as possible if you like that look, and then pin it. Boom, a curly top knot.
Damn, Jacob, this
Also pull some pieces out for a messier look like so, and yeah, it's so cute. This is so bomb. I took the curly bun out and I thought this would be cute as a pony, but y'all, I was feeling myself, and I don't know, I think I'll do a pony video too if y'all like this video. Okay, so this is probably my favorite bun, the ninja top knot. I'm using one pack of some generic braiding hair and one bead. I had my mom pick this up for me, but usually I'll get a longer pre-stretched braiding brand to make my bun super tall and full, but this will do as well. So I'm basically just going to use the rubber band that the hair came with and wrap it around my bun. I was trying not to pop it with my nails, but I ended up getting it eventually. After it's attached, I'm going to split the hair in two around the mini bun, and then I'm going to two-strand twist the hair together. Then I'm going to twist the entire piece as I wrap it around my mini bun, and I'm going to stack it underneath. It's a little hard to explain, but you can follow along. So of course I had to add my chopsticks. This honestly takes a bun from a 10 to a 100. I love it. You just kind of stick them in where they fit in, and then yeah.
Next caller.
The last bun is the wavy top knot bun. This is the most simple bun, but it's super quick and easy. I'm literally gonna prep the tracks and attach it to my mini bun like I did with the curly tracks, and I'm gonna do the same twist method that I showed y'all before. Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it and y'all learned something. Also, comment below what your favorite bun is. I'm kind of torn between this ninja bun or the curly bun. I don't know which one I like, and I don't know which one I'm gonna wear. I don't know, I might do a different bun every day of the week. No, I'm just kidding, but yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna wait and give y'all some time to subscribe, so yeah. Y'all done? Okay.